Hello and welcome to the third episode of the vlog. I was really busy yesterday, so could not make the third episode, even though I did really want to. But yeah, I had to make a lot of deliveries, 6 deliveries to be exact. That kind of took a lot of time. So yeah, I am currently in the dragon field, as you can see. Uh, the dragons are kind of growing. A lot of them did grow quite large. If we see here, as you can see, these have gone quite big. I think it will bloom very soon if it hasn't already, probably today tomorrow. They bloom usually at night or like in the early morning, so I would have to keep an eye out for them. These are all the canals that were cut yesterday and the day before that. These were cut so that water can drain easily. A train is coming from that direction. Uh, yeah, as you can see, some water has gone down. It's important to do this because dragons do not like water that much. So if water clogs at the bottom of the tree, there's a good chance it's going to die. Yeah. These are the dragons that have gone quite large, that have gotten quite large. I think these have already bloomed once or twice. I think these will bloom, I'm guessing today. These are all the lemon and mango trees around this place. I'm guessing I'll get to sell a lot of fucking mangoes, huh? Hopefully. They've already started working in the paddy fields, if you can see. See that? Those are people working in the paddy fields. They will start growing rice pretty soon. These are all like left for grazing animals currently, but it will change soon enough. We are very lucky considering one flower has bloomed a little. uh, if we see the anatomy of the flower, the inside of the flower, if we can, that is, you see these things, these are like the yellow things. These are the uh, what they call pollen, I think. No, not pollen, pungdondo যেটা বলে, that. And you see this thing at the very bottom, and see the green thing at the bottom, that's like the female part. So many cows grazing in this area. It's a lot of cows. I guess that will be the end of this video. Let me know if you wanna see more of this farm vlog, and like, comment, subscribe as always, and have a nice day. Thank you.